Howdy, this is Dakota Jenkins. This is for class MEFB 452, section 503. Today I'm going to be talking to y'all about some great teacher resources and show y'all what mine was and how much it costs, how do I find it, and what's the best way to use it. So I did mine over EduRef, and I'm going to show y'all that. So basically how to get there. I'm going to type in eduref.org, and that's going to bring it up. So this is the home page, and basically this is a kind of like a library for lesson plans. So if you can look like around here, see the lesson plans. This is a really great resource because it has lesson plans for art, computer science, foreign language, health, information literacy, interdisciplinary, language arts, mathematics, philosophy, physical education, science, social studies, and as you see, vocational education too. So basically for our class though, the ones to highlight would be science and mathematics. And, all y'all have to do is go to eduref.org and this pops up just as simple as that. So not some big, long, link to remember anything. And even if you did forget, you can always just type in eduref at Google and it'll show up. It's the very first thing that pops up. So for us, we're going to look at mathematics. And as soon as I click on, you can see that there's all of this stuff. So I've got grade level. It tells me what the actual subject is. So I've got algebra, applied math, and then under these I have, the subsets of what I can go into further to find some more lesson plans. So if I just click, let's do applied math, and we'll do the savings bank, grade 6. So as soon as I click on that, I get who wrote the lesson, the date that they made it, I've got my grade level, the subject, and then it's basically, the whole lesson plan. Objective materials, time required, the procedures, and then additional notes. And this one doesn't have as much, but some of them even go into, 5e, more with the science. And you can even print it, so that's really nice. So let's go back, and I'll go to science, and you'll see again. So we've got, science lesson plans, ice cream in a bag. That's probably all the, labs and stuff you can do. And if you look over here, you can see earth science, ecology, engineering, and entomology, animals, astronomy, biology, chemistry. Like, you can basically pick and choose. Like, okay, my lesson's over genetics. Let me look. Okay, grade 4 through 12, grade 7. So it's really, really great resource. So, if y'all are wondering by this point, the cost is free. So that's awesome. And it's super easy to find. You just Google it. The steps to use it, you can go back to the home, this is definitely the home page. You scroll down, lesson plans. Pick your subject that you're teaching and do social studies this time, and then you can find, oh, this one doesn't have as much social studies. So you really want to do, mathematics is a good one, especially for us in our class. Physical education, that's even got some, oh yeah, games, gymnastics, motor skills. It's really, really good, and it's free, and you could print out the lesson, so that's really awesome. And kind of the reason why I chose this was because, a lot of times, I know, especially for like new teachers and, students like us, it's hard sometimes to like figure out where you're going to start your lesson and how am I even going to start this, and so this is like a great resource just to like help with figuring out what direction your lesson's going to go. Sometimes seeing an example of other teachers' work, it can really like create a really good baseline and, structure for how your lesson's going to be. So that's basically it. So eduref.org, and hope this was informational for y'all. So see y'all in class. Bye.